property. You're all going up the property. If you come back on, you're
Belmar, New Jersey, July 22nd, 2025. A man turned away at a bar door. What he does next results in 4 criminal charges, every one of them self-inflicted. Officers were already on scene when security denied him entry. He came back anyway. That decision set everything in motion. He invoked the First Amendment, repeatedly, out loud, and on private property.
No, I want to know my legal rights. My legal rights. First Amendment.
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Stop. You're gonna put on the ground. Stop. Get a cup out. Stop.
No. My First Amendment. First Amendment.
You are under arrest.
First Amendment. What I do?
The way you're acting, man.
You didn't read my legal Miranda rights.
All right, we don't have to do it.
No, yes you do. Yes you do.
Stop.
Yes you do. Where's my Miranda rights?
I'm not asking you any
Where's my
questions.
Miranda rights?
Stop. Let's go.
No. Where's my Miranda rights?
Stop.
No. Where's my Miranda rights?
Stop. You're gonna go down.
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
You're pushing yourself.
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
Stop. Keep walking.
No, you're pushing me. Yo, you're pushing me.
You better relax.
I'm relaxed.
You're not relaxed.
Yo.
Stop.
I'm relaxed.
Tell you stop, because you're gonna get resisting arrest also.
No,
Stop.
I'm not.
Yeah,
No,
you
I'm
are.
not.
You're not gonna tell us no,
No,
you're
I'm
not. Yes, you are.
not. My First Amendment
Stop
rights.
pushing back.
Freedom of speech.
Stop.
Freedom of speech, right?
Stop.
That's my First Amendment right, right?
You are.
My freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. You're arresting me because freedom of speech.
Come and get
What
me
the fuck, bro?
What you say? Have all the people inside.
I have my social security on me. I have all my ID on me, bro. Check.
Wait, relax.
Check, bro.
Just relax.
Check, bro. Check.
Here, put him in the
I
sand.
don't have nothing on me, bro. What the fuck is going on here?
We're under arrest.
Under arrest for what? What's my
Disorderly
legal...
conduct right now.
What?
And trespassing,
No.
alright? I told you to leave and you walked right back towards it.
Trespassing, bro. What?
Next is you're gonna get resisting arrest too.
What?
Stop.
I'm not resisting arrest.
You are.
I'm in handcuffs. How can I resist if I'm handcuffs? Can I get my stick up? Yeah, please.
Get in. Sit in the car.
Where's his shoe?
I don't know.
Oh, right there. I get his shoe.
I'll take it.
I got it.
Con resisting.
Yeah. And trespass. Noise and interference.
Should I give the...
Yeah, just throw it in the front here. I'll make it a suit. These cuffs are tight. I can't feel my arms. I'll make it a suit. Worried about it.
Calm down.
Nah, he's just running his mouth. Alright, cool. Watch the car. Can you process them? Thanks. He's on my side. Diabetes. That's how you are?
Look, listen. Listen.
No, you.
We weren't there. We don't
No,
know what
100%.
happened. So
Jewish. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Okay. All right. My lawyer's Jewish.
Okay.
My lawyer will get me out here ASAP.
Okay.
All right.
The First Amendment restricts government interference with speech. It does not require a private business to keep anyone on their premises. A bar is private property. The owner sets the rules. Security enforces them. Officers back that up. That is the law. Returning after being told to leave is defiant trespass under New Jersey statute 2C 18-3. He was warned. He came back. That was charge 1. Then came the Miranda demand. He asked for Miranda rights during the arrest, not before any questioning during the arrest itself.
I didn't even do anything. You didn't even read my Miranda rights. So you better get sued. Okay. You didn't even read my Miranda rights. I don't care. Y'all better get sued. I don't care.
We don't have to Mirandize. We're not asking any questions.
You didn't read my Miranda rights. You didn't read my Miranda rights.
Go ahead. Go have a seat. Have a seat.
Tell me I was gonna.
Miranda versus Arizona requires officers to give warnings before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. There was no interrogation here. Officers said it directly, "We are not asking you any questions." That one statement removed the Miranda obligation entirely. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, Miranda is not triggered by the arrest itself. It applies when officers intend to question a subject in custody. They did not.
Y'all didn't read my Miranda rights? I got a right to sue. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay.
I got a
You can
right
talk to your lawyer.
Y'all didn't read my Miranda rights.
All right, we're not asking any questions.
Every act of physical resistance during a lawful arrest adds a resisting arrest charge, separate from the original offense, a separate count. New Jersey Statute 2, C-29-2, up to 18 months if physical force is involved. He resisted, on camera, with officers watching. Disorderly conduct requires a public disturbance refusal of lawful commands or behavior causing alarm. He satisfied every element in the parking lot. 3 charges going into the holding cell. Then he urinated on the floor.
Jeremy, give me your shirt. Stop playing around. Give me your shirt.
Come on, man.
Give me your shirt.
Yo, come on, man. I've been asking.
Slide your shirt through.
I've been asking for a phone call, man. I've been asking my
Slide your shirt through.
Bro, come on. Constitutional right, bro. I've been
Slide your shirt through.
Bro.
Slide your shirt through. You just pissed all over the floor, too.
Bro, it's not fucked up, bro. I've been asking for my constitutional right, bro.
Okay.
I'm locked up for
Give me your shirt.
Throw
your shirt on the wall here. Throw your shirt on the wall.
I didn't even do anything, man.
And you just pissed all over the floor. All over the mat. Come on.
I'm trying to get y'all attention, bro. It's my constitutional right to make a phone call.
Pass it through. Slide it through. I'm not touching it because there's piss all over it.
Yo, am I wrong, bro? I still have been able to make a phone call, bro. That's my constitutional right as an American-born citizen.
You think yelling and screaming all night is gonna get you anywhere?
Yes, bro.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, bro. So I'm suing y'all, bro.
Okay.
That's it. Y'all losing your jobs, bro.
Okay.
That's it.
You're gonna get charged with the criminal mischief now for pissing on the floor and the mat.
No problem, bro.
Criminal Mischief New Jersey Statute 2, C-17-3 was added on the spot. Defiling or destroying property qualifies. That is charge 4. He said it was to get attention. It worked. 4 charges, multiple mandatory court appearances, exactly the attention he earned. Officers grade A. They stayed calm, documented every element, and let the subject build the case for them. Nothing here was improvised. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is evaluated on what was known in the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. The subject grade F. He began the night facing one possible charge. He left with 4 new court dates and a criminal mischief citation from a holding cell floor. The First Amendment did not apply to private property. Miranda did not apply without interrogation. Neither argument had legal merit. He made both arguments loudly and at length. Lesson the right to remain silent is not automatic. You must invoke it and then use it. Every statement made after arrest can be used in court. Silence cannot. What sentence do you think fits? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for Bodycam legal analysis every week.